Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here that I'm wearing. I was looking for some purple eyeshadow in my makeup collection that I could use. I saw this one, this Urban Decay single eyeshadow in color Tonic. This is a beautiful, figure out what you call these. So it has this like blue, purple, and pink shift to it. Kind of changed the color, like in certain direction it looks like blue. So this was like the main inspiration behind this look. One of the other color that I wanted to mention is this single eyeshadow from Coastal Scent. These are their Hot Pot eyeshadow in color Raspberry Tart. I use this color as the base of the purple. So those are the two main purple color I used on my eyes today. I am absolutely loving how glowy and beautiful that this look turned out. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, my voice might sound a little funny today because I'm still kind of sick and my voice is still kind of weird. I already prepped and primed my eyes with some concealer and I'm taking my Morphe 15H Happy Hour palette. So the first color I'm taking is the color On the Rocks from the palette to set the base. This step is pretty important since you can kind of see the concealer does crease and you don't want to apply any eyeshadow on top of that crease without setting the crease. For the crease, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm taking the color Burnt Orange from the palette and I'm slowly applying the color towards the outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm also taking this color on my crease. I'm being very gentle with the application since I want to slowly build up the color and kind of make the color blow out and look very soft. Next, I'm taking the color 5 PM from the palette. This is a warm tone brown color and I'm applying this color on the outer corner of the eye just to deepen the outer corner of the eye. Just like the previous color, I'm applying this color very gently and slowly building it up. Then I'm taking the color Last Call to deepen the outer corner even more. As you can see, I'm dragging all the colors more outwards to make a wing shape. Now I'm using a concealer to carve out the inner 2/3 of my eyes. Then I'm taking this single eyeshadow from Coastal Scents called Raspberry Tart. I'm wetting my brush and applying this color on the center of my eyelid. I'm taking it a little towards the inner corner, but I'm keeping it more concentrated on the center of the eye. Then I'm taking this single eyeshadow from Urban Decay called Tonic and I'm applying this color with a wet brush on top of the purple eyeshadow I just placed. I'm also going to take this color towards the inner corner by itself. This is such a beautiful bluish purple color. I'm in love with this color and this was the main inspiration behind this whole look. So I absolutely love this color. Now I'm just going back to the color 5 PM and Last Call to blend out the edges. For my brow bone and inner corner highlights, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Gleam and I'm applying the color Crushed Pearl. Now for the eyeliner, I'm taking this NYX High Definition Liquid Eyeliner and I'm just making my usual winged eyeliner. I got a little tanned now, so I'm mixing up these two foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation in color 290 and Maybelline Fit Me foundation in color 315. And I'm just applying this foundation with a foundation brush first and then I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. To set my foundation, as usual, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in color medium and I'm just baking my under eye. I'm applying the powder with a wet beauty sponge and then sweeping it away with a brush. To contour my face, I'm taking my NYX Contouring Kit and I'm taking the color Toffee from the palette to contour my face. And then I'm taking the color Hail to warm up the rest of the face. On a small eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the color Sculpt to contour my nose. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going back to the color 5 PM and with a small pencil brush, I'm blending the color on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking the color Raspberry Tart and from the center towards the inner corner, I'm just blending the color out. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking the color Tonic and applying that. To open up my eyes, I'm taking this white pencil eyeliner from Coastal Scents and applying it on my waterline. For my blush, I'm taking this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette and I'm taking this mauvey purple blush from the palette and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighting my face, I'm going back to my Glow Kit and taking the same crushed pearl color and highlighting the high points of my face. For my mascara, I'm taking this Makeup Forever mascara. I totally forgot the name of it, but I'll list it down below in the description box. For my lips, I'm taking this lip liner from the brand BellaPierre Cosmetics. I'll list the name down in the description below in color Nude, and I'm just lining my lips with this lip liner, and I'm also going to fill in my lips with it. For my lipstick, I'm taking these super lustrous Revlon cream lipstick in color Berry Hot. And on top of that, I'm applying this Bite Beauty lip gloss in color Brilliant. Now I'm just putting on some earrings and I'm all done with the makeup look. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. And let me know if you're equally in love with this look as much as I am. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. As usual, I will leave all the product details and my social media links down below in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and all of that. Lately, I have been receiving some really positive comments from you guys, and trust me, they help so much in terms of keeping myself motivated to create content, to make better and better videos for you guys. Absolutely appreciate all of those comments. I need to get a little bit better at replying to all of those comments. I'm working on it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!